The geometry. Geometry is our favorite, right? So geometry in North America, they don't have this class. So this one is supposed to be get the point, right? So let's for example here. Uh, so what do we get? We get this one is 75. So this one can be right on this 75. AB is 75, right? And BC also 21. Then this is 20. What? CE or CE is this one equal to 47, right? Yeah. So we also know this 2 is right angle, right? So basically right angle. So first of all, we gotta you spend little time to decide this one is fixed or not fixed, right? Is that fixed? So this one triangle, if you get 71, 21 and right angle, this triangle is fixed. So A, B, C, it must be fixed, right? This one, does this one moving? This one cannot move because once you decide that one, once you decide this one, right, and come to here, this must be certain age, right? This 20 plus this angle, it determines that length, right? So this length is fixed. This is 47. This length is know that. So this triangle also fixed, right? So what did they ask? They ask for BD, okay, for BD. Okay, for the BD right now, what do we gotta do, right? So we can use a coordinator or something. This one don't need, right? All kinds of things, right? But first of all, the BD we gotta find the correctly angle to do that, right? So where gotta BD? BD gotta be Pythagoras, right? So BD gotta Pythagoras. You gotta find some way to figure out where it is, right? So here we don't do AE first, right? We know we can do AE, right? We know we can AE because we know this 75, this 21, this 8, this AC we know. AC minus EC will be AE. So we don't do AE. We don't do first. We're marking the brand. We say this one we know. We know this one, right? We know this. We don't do first. When maybe you don't need to do this one, right? This is another thing, right? Then now we do the BD. For the BD, definitely gotta do the Pythagoras, right? So everything in the triangle gotta do Pythagoras. So what you can do, draw all kinds of things. You can draw the first of all easy way we can draw in here, right? Also what we can do? Also we can do drawing like this here. Right? We also can draw like this way. We also can draw this way here. And we can draw all kinds of things. This is a right angle, right? Because of right angle, this parallel, there's all kinds of parallel things, right? Okay. Let's say we simply first idea. First we saw here. When I draw here, right? Draw here. Does this one fix? This is fixed, right? Because this line is fixed, and this perpendicular is fixed, right? So it's fixed. So for this kind of fixed things, we don't need to use brand. We just like brute force that, right? So we know this is alpha, this is beta, right? So calculation, we know we gotta know this guy, right? Let's say bx. We gotta know bx and dx, right? We gotta know these two things, right? So let's focus calculation. If once we know bx, because this is Pythagoras, we know this one. We know this one, and we can get this one. We can get this one, right? Kind of like chain reaction. For the bx, well, the bx is like this angle, right? We can like for triangle, for this one, draw the perpendicular here because this angle here, right? So this one should be sine, right? Should be sine alpha plus beta, right? Straightforward. You don't need it because if you use fancy, if you use beautiful solution, you can you got so many similarity like this one similar to this one, something like blah blah blah. Yeah, we don't need it, right? But it's a sine alpha. This sine alpha 75 times 75. this equal to bx, right? So now we can do bx, right? Ax equal to what? Ax is cosine alpha plus beta times 75, then ax, right? Okay, now we just saw sine alpha is what? This one sine alpha is what? Sine alpha. Oh, sine alpha is this one, right? 21 plus 75. What is this one? This is kind of 3, right? 7, 15. This one. Cosine is what? No, 25. Huh? 25. 25, 25, 6, 25 minus 49. What is that? What is that? 5, 7, 6. Is that 24? Yeah, it's 24. So this is 24. So it's supposed to be 25, 24, right? So sine alpha we have this one already, right? Okay, now we need a sine beta. What is sine beta, right? For sine beta, we need this one. We need AE. AE is what? 75, this is a ratio here, 24 times 3. So this is 24 times 3. What is that? 72. So this is 72. 72 minus 47. 72 minus 40, 72 minus 47. 25. It's 25, alright? It's 25. So it's 25. 25, 20. This is 5, 4, 3. So this is 15, right? So 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. Cosine alpha equal to 5, 4, 3, right? You also can need to remember special angle. Special angle we have like this. I remember another 12, right? That's 13, 12. 13, 12. 7. 25, 24. Wait. 30, 12. 30, 12, 5. 25, 24. 7, 5, 4, 3. Kind of special. Okay, special thing. When you saw this, when you trigger that one. So, but it doesn't matter. If you don't remember, just spend time. Just save like 10 seconds. You can use calculator to get this one, right? Okay, so right now we see bx is this sine alpha cosine sine alpha is what? Sine alpha is this one. We know sine formula, right? Sine formula is supposed to be, let's change in color. Sine formula is supposed sine alpha cosine beta, right? And cosine alpha sine beta, right? Equal to what? Right? Sine alpha is 25. 25 times 25 times 5, right? So it should be 125, right? Sine alpha, it's beta, right? Sine alpha cosine beta. So this is 28. Wait, 28. 4 times 7 is 125, right? And plus 1, plus this one, cosine alpha. So it's 125. This below is also 125. Above is what? 70. Wait, 72? Yeah, this add up 100. Whoa. 100 and 125. Wait, this is what? Divided by 25. What? 5, 4? Oh. What? This angle also 5, 4? Holy man. It's just that this is also 5, 4. So this angle and this angle is similar. Holy man, it's similar. How come? Yeah, anyway, doesn't matter. We don't care. We use sine, cosine always. So, right? So cosine alpha will be 5, 3. Absolutely. This 5, 4 here. This is 25 bx equal to. So suppose b 15 is 60, right? The 50 is times 3. So this one is suppose 45. So for this cosine, right? Cosine alpha will gotta be 5, 3, right? 5, 3, okay? This is special angle. Back to the special angle. Oh, 5, 3, right? Special angle, right? Yeah, so 45. So now we have this is one, right? So what do we got this one here? This one is 45 minus 20, that should be 25. Oh, this one should be 25, and this one, so this one should be 60 square plus 25 square, the roots here, right? What is that? This one funny, this one we use calculator. Brand not that good, so we just, this one is 65, right? Also, what we also can do is a very simple one is ABD. ABD. Yeah, ABD is a cosine law, so it's kind of a cosine law, right? Simply cosine law, you can one directly go here. You don't need to put it this way here. This will do the extra work. So I do the extra work. You don't need it. So this solution do the extra work. So don't need it. So we can directly go this cosine law here. ABD is a cosine law. Yeah, I forgot this one. We do the extra work. So yeah, same thing. So basically cosine using this one cosine law. This square plus this square, right? Minus 2ab cosine this one equal to that square. That square root is same answer. Same answer exactly. Okay? Let's review that question. This question, in the beginning, you start to draw this one, right? 75, 21, this ABC, fixed. Then you draw 20, right? If you draw 20, this one, so he say 47. If it's 47 here, this one is fixed. AE is fixed. And AD is 20, also fixed. So the whole thing is fixed. When you draw the BD, so we can direct calculation that one, right? Calculation, like, because this triangle here, we use sine, cosine, it's very simple, easily do that one. Use similarity is go far away and solve equation. We don't need to do that. So basically you gotta remember, so in this question, you realize sine formula is very important. Sine formula is very important, okay? Right? Cosine formula, yeah, we call it formula cosine. Cosine is cosine alpha, cosine beta minus sine alpha, sine beta. So you gotta remember all this one. This is basic.